baked loaded nachos. Start off by cutting your corn tortillas into 6 equal pieces and then adding that to a cookie sheet to bake. I'm going to spray this with a nonstick spray, toss them, spray it again, and then bake at 400 degrees until crispy. Now I'm making seasoned ground beef for my nachos, just adding a taco mix, all but 1 teaspoon. Reserve 1 teaspoon of the mix for later. We're gonna use that somewhere else. Next, check on your corn tortillas in the oven. Keep checking on them. You're gonna need to keep flipping them. The star of the show, the cheese sauce. 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup of milk, 4 ounces of cream cheese. Until when it's melted, add the sharp cheddar, about 2 cups. Mix this. When it melts all together, then add the remaining teaspoon of taco mix. This is gonna make your nacho sauce delicious. Let your chips cool before assembling the nachos. I'm gonna show you how I assemble my loaded nachos. I like to use a 9x13 pan to catch all of the cheese sauce that's gonna ooze when I put it back in the oven. You could use a cookie sheet, but I just prefer it this way. So let me show you how I do it. Start by adding a layer of chips in the bottom of the pan. I'm using refried beans as well, so you could do that or omit this. It's your preference. A layer of our seasoned ground beef, and then the star, the nacho cheese sauce, as well as shredded cheese. I just have a mixture of shredded cheese here. You're just gonna layer this until you use all of your chips and all of your mix-ins. Again, mine are beans, seasoned ground beef, and then cheese sauce, and then finally the shredded cheddar on top. Then you're going to put this back in the oven just to melt the cheese, and that is it. Loaded nachos, loaded baked nachos. So I'm gonna just get a few out because I am sharing today. So I have people in the house that aren't gonna like all the toppings that I'm gonna put on. So I'm gonna get a little bit of crema. You could use sour cream. You could use really whatever you want. I have some mashed avocado. I didn't even do guacamole. I mashed some avocado with some garlic, salt, and red pepper flake mixed, and I'm gonna do some cilantro. You could do canned jalapenos, sliced fresh jalapenos, like literally endless possibilities. But the baked nachos, so good. The cheese sauce, people are gonna be licking the plate. Cheese sauce is so good, that's what literally makes the dish. The little bit of spice from the taco seasoning. This is a winner. You need to try it at your next party. It'd be perfect for Super Bowl.